Okay, so last week, last year, yesterday, whatever, doesn't matter anymore, right? Today is what matters. The present is what matters. What you do now is what matters because it's going to set you up for the future. You have to start focusing on the present, your present actions. Don't think about all of the what ifs. Don't think about all of the mistakes that you've made in the past. Commit today to changing, doing whatever it is that you need to do. Start executing so things can start moving in the direction that you want them to be. Start fresh. If it's not going the way you want it, start fresh. Okay? Wipe your slate clean. Build a solid foundation. Okay? But you can't actually build that solid foundation unless you have your plan in place first. So you got to really figure out what it is that you want. Then once you figure that out, you have to put your plan together. And you put your plan together by working backwards, guys. You work backwards, figuring out what that main thing is and the steps that you need to do to accomplish that. Then once you have that, then you start building up your foundation. So how did I start to transform my business? First and foremost, I had to get in the right mindset. Mindset will help you build a solid foundation. It does not matter. I can give you every resource that you could possibly need to grow your business, to be successful. But guess what? If you're not in the right mindset, you're not going to execute and use those resources properly to get what it is that you want. So yes, your mindset is the foundation for you wiping that slate clean and starting fresh and knowing that you want more for yourself, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing is you have to start taking control of your health. You have to work on being the healthiest version of yourself that you possibly can be. All right? That's mentally, that's physically. Stop eating all that crap. Why? Because you cannot show up for yourself and you cannot show up for your business if you have no energy, if you're sick all the time. You have to work on your health. Start getting active. You can start off by, doing in-home workouts. 20 minutes. Go to YouTube, find a video, or at-home workout. Go for a run. Go for a walk. Go outside and play with your kids. Whatever. Start moving and get active. Why? Because that will help increase your energy levels. And then you can, again, start showing up for yourself, start showing up for your business. You'll have more energy to do the things that you need to do to create that lifestyle that you want. Right? Because I know that you're working all day, you're taking care of your kids, and then you come home and you're tired. But guess what? You're tired. Now you're not working on your business. Your business is supposed to be what's going to help you change your lifestyle for the better. But you have to make sure that you have enough energy to be able to do that. So you have to start taking care of yourself. Once you do those first two, guess what? Now you can really start building up your business. You're in the right headspace. You have more energy because you're taking care of yourself. Now you can start executing on those business goals, right? You execute on those things that you must do to hit your business goals, right? And I'm not saying it's going to be easy. It's going to be a walk in the park. But guess what? Now you're in a new mindset. So when those hurdles and you run into those brick walls, you can tackle them a lot better. They're not going to throw you off as long as it did before. Why? Because you're in the right headspace. Why? Because you have the energy now to tackle them. Because you believe in yourself more. You know that you can handle it. Right? So those things are going to help you start to grow your business. Right? And last but not least, when your business is growing, you have more income coming in. But you got to work on making sure that you're handling that income properly. So you got to work on your finances. So those are actually the things that I did in order to start to transform my own business, my own product-based business, guys. All right. So if you have questions, please let me know. But start fresh. Start fresh. First, commit to starting fresh. Second, I want you to go to momsthatboss.club, guys.club. Grab that MB3 method, which is the exact steps that I took, which I just laid out for you, but it'll go a little bit more in detail. Grab the MB3 method from my bio, depending on where you're watching this, or go to momsthatboss.club, get that, and then schedule yourself on my calendar over the next couple of days. And I will give you a complimentary strategy session, and we will talk about what it is that you have going on. Why? Because you're starting fresh. What it is that you had going on, so we can figure out the holes that you have in your process, so we can start fresh and move forward, and you can start getting better results. Okay? I'm going to, during the strategy session, I'm going to give you things that you can implement immediately. And depending on how the conversation goes, if I feel like that you might be a good fit for the Moms That Boss Inner Circle, I will present the opportunity to you. But the Moms That Boss Inner Circle is not for everyone. Why? Because at the end of the day, let's be real. Not everyone has the same commitment level. Not everyone is there yet. Not everyone is ready to go and put in the work and do what is necessary to make it happen for themselves. And that's totally fine. Okay? Because I wasn't at that level. It took me a lot to get there. And when I was at that level, guess what? I started investing in myself. I started getting the coaching that I needed, right? So it's okay. But I'm all about my moms winning. I want you to win. So no matter where you are at right now, I'm still going to give you things that you can apply that day to start transforming things for yourself. And then you can use those things in different and other places within your life, because Moms That Boss, we're all about winning. I want you to win. Whether you are working with me one-on-one or not, I want you to win. I want you to be successful. I want you to live that lifestyle that you want, right? I want you to get that freedom that you want. I want you, if growing in your career is something that you want to do, and you want to just have a business on the side, well, guess what? I want that for you too. I want you to start winning out here, because you deserve to start winning. Your kids deserve for you to start winning, right? So, like I said, go to momsthatboss.club, get that MB3 method, schedule your strategy session with me so you can have a plan that you can start putting in place, because you're going to start fresh and rock out. And I will see you guys later. Bye.